into your eyes and see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes like I was saying. The hours and the ways as we fade into green. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender. Now that it's ended, nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late. And why do we care to dream? We gotta believe it is not too late. I look into your eyes and see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
Time to keep moving. I've got better things to do. Oh.
These days, I have a lot in my plate. Well, because my mother-in-law is not here, so I'm working, I am shooting, I am cooking, managing the home, and all those stuff. She is really sweet. She helps me with cooking, she helps me in other houseworks. So it is comparatively really easy for me to navigate through house chores and my work. But from last few days, she's not here, and it's a lot. I think working from home is beneficial for men only, because being a woman, it's really hard than you think, because you just can't sit at one place and focus on your work. You have to cook, you have to clean, you have to do laundry, then you have to fold the laundry, then all the other things. So I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to the kitchen around 7:30 and I stay in the kitchen till 12 p.m. And after doing all those work, I get tired. So then I have to take rest. But while taking rest, I'll do my work. I am on my laptop. I take rest for 2 hours and then I go in the kitchen again. I make tea for everyone. I make little snack or whatever. Then I start working again for one hour. Then I start prepping for dinner again. Then I stay in the kitchen till 6:30. Then I take a short break. Then we eat. Then I clean the kitchen, wash the utensils, and yeah, after that I sit and watch TV for a while, like 15 to 20 minutes with family, and I come back, I get fresh, and then I start working again till I sleep. I read a book and then I go to sleep. So I hardly get any time to work, and that is also while I'm resting, like while I'm taking rest. And I know a lot of women does their heads off to them. From last 2 days, my back is hurting a lot, so I have to be stronger. I have to do exercise and eat well. So that's what I'm doing. Work from home is beneficial for men only. This is not for women. So I imagine if I have to go to the office on a physical location, I think I'll finish my work till 8 a.m. and then I'll leave. Then I only have to focus on my work. That's awesome. And only after I come home, I have to work on house things only. While working from home and staying at home, it's so difficult to separate them. Sometimes I really forget that I have to do the kitchen duty because I'm so lost in my work. So that's that's not all. Anyway, let's do night skincare and get back to work, because I have to edit the video you're watching. I also have to write blogs. I have a few blogging website that you can check. I'll link them in the description below if you're interested in art and painting stuff, if you're interested in lifestyle stuff. So yeah, that's that. Oh, I also made a video on zucchini pasta salad, and I also have to edit that. I think I'll upload it tomorrow. I'll link that down in the description as well. My night skincare is very simple. I'm using this Innisfree green tea and hyaluronic serum, and then I apply this Dot & Key ceramide and hyaluronic face cream, and then I apply this Laneige lip balm. That's it. I don't like applying a lot of things on my face, so I like to keep it very simple. Also, it's about to finish. Also, the rain finally stopped, so that's a relief, because everywhere around us is just floods and people are getting stuck, traffic jams, and in my last video I talked a lot, and I thought nobody will like it, but to my surprise a lot of you enjoyed that video. So let me know in the comment if you like sit and talk type of video where I'm just answering your questions, talking to you. Personally, I like those type of videos because that way you'll get to know more about me, we can know each other. Update on my skincare. If you remember, I did a video last month or this month, I think last month, where AI suggested my skincare. So I'm not ordering this Dot and Key cream again, and I'm also not ordering this Plum moisturizer, rice water moisturizer. I'm getting back to my good old skin inspired ceramide moisturizer. It's best. It works so good on my skin. I really love that. This month, Nykaa. So, if you order from Nykaa in your birthday month, they send you something as a birthday gift. So, this year they sent this body moisturizer, and it's good. Previous year they sent this lipstick from K-Beauty, and it's good. This is nice, but this time it's not so good.